Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput blog. Today I'm just telling about the Accenture new update. There was a latest update information for the candidate have received the offer letter mail received by the candidate, and there was a different mail about the immediate action required. A warm welcome by the Accenture team and congratulations on your job offer from the Accenture. So in this video I'm just telling about the different points. So just subscribe my channel Technical Rajput blog and press the bell icon for more notification. So guys, here is the information about the Accenture. How was your Accenture recruiting experience? So candidate have receiving this information from the company side because those candidate have just completed their recruitment process after the interview, or they have received the workday profile. They are receiving the survey mail for experience the recruitment process. So here is again a candidate have receiving the survey mail after the completed their all the updated information from the company. So thank you for exploring the Accenture career opportunities. We are always recruiting the experienced Accenture. Can you fill this out about the 5-minute survey? So in this mail they have just respond to survey mail. So candidate have last received their 10th June also, and there was a 15th June also. So evenly candidate after the 14th May or 13th May candidate have receiving the survey mail. And here is the another information from the Accenture team. 3 days ago was the congratulations on your job offer from the Accenture. Candidate have receiving their offer letter or job offer from the Accenture congratulation mail. For the past candidate, from the 3 to 2 days candidate are receiving this mail from again and again from the each and every candidate. Those who have received, you can also comment on my comment section, and there is a mention about there. Be love to join the Accenture. We know that big step this is your the anything is still, be contact us anytime. We are sure that you have all information you need. This is incredibly excited times to Accenture. We are bringing a positive transformation through to that behavior of change. So guys, after the congratulation birthday profile, candidate have receiving this type of a mail for the offer of the Accenture after the completion of a interview process. And here is another information about the status for your application. Candidate have receiving these mail again and again because there was a reactivation link also mail have receiving by the candidate for the last I have just mentioned in the last previous video about the there is no consultation about the video, so you can also visit that video. There will be the query if you want any. So guys, here is the way. Thanks for again applying for the work with Accenture. We will touch with you soon, Accenture recruitment team. So please inform any point and giving information. So guys, those who are for waiting for their opportunity from the last 17th of May or 14th May candidate workday profile. Many candidates have receiving the information, but past candidate 27th of May candidate are not receiving the updated information. So guys, just wait for the 10 to 15 days. There will be the information from the company side officially updated. I will inform you. So guys, here is the updated information from the Accenture. These all are. So just subscribe my channel for more update from the Accenture. Thank you.